Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on TickMill. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because you can search right here for whatever you want. And we want to buy Bitcoin, so we search right here for BTC. Then we are having right there Bitcoin to US dollars, so we click right there on Bitcoin to US dollars, and now we are having here the chart. Then if you want to buy Bitcoin, we select right here new order, and then we can fill in right here the volume. And if you want to know what the volume is, you can see it standing right here, right above it. So let's do a 0.01, that is 0.01 Bitcoin, that is fine. And then right now, if you want to create a stop loss right here, or a take profit, you can do that by just clicking there on the plus icon. Then right now there's one thing that we need to do, because if you click now here on buy market, we created ourselves a position on Bitcoin. And then if you go to the bottom, you see right here that we created ourselves the position on Bitcoin. So this is in a nutshell how you can buy Bitcoin right here on TickMill. If you have questions about it, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.